Hi, and welcome to another video in the series on Vedic Math Techniques. This is chapter 4 in the series, and we will talk about how to square numbers which are close to 50 in this. By close to 50, I mean numbers which lie in the range of 40 to 60. Now, 40 square I know that is, you will also know is 1600, 60 square is 3600, so that is not that difficult. But how about 52? How about 44? Well, all that we'll learn in this video. I am Ravi Handa, and I run this website called handakafunda.com. These videos are brought to you by the YouTube channel Unacademy, and please subscribe to this channel. It will help us and encourage us to make more such videos. We look forward to your subscribe. Now, what we are going to do in this particular video is we are going to quickly find out the squares of all these numbers. For that, what you need to know is the distance of 53 from 50, the distance of 48 from 50, the distance of 59 from 50, the distance of 42 from 50. Essentially, whatever is the distance of the given number from 50. So what is the distance of 53? The distance of 53 is 3 units. So the last two digits will be square of 3 or 09, and the first two digits will be 25 plus the distance. So 25 plus 3 or 2809. What will happen in case of 48? What is the distance? The distance is not 8. Please note, I am not saying the last digit, I am saying the distance from 50. So what is the distance from 50? That is minus 2, which makes the last two digits as square of minus 2 or 04, and the first two digits as 25 plus the distance. So the distance is negative, so that becomes 25 minus 2 or 23, and 2304 will be the square of 48. Let me just write it down to you so that it is clearer. The first two digits will be 25 plus the distance. Please note, this distance could be positive or negative, and the last two digits will be d square. Let's quickly try and find out the answers for the others. 52, distance is 2 or 02, square of that 04. First two digits 25 plus the distance, 25 plus 2, 2704. 44, distance is minus 6, square of minus 6 is 36, 25 minus 6 is 19. So the square is 1936. To be honest, try 59 and 42 on your own. I would request you to pause the video. Try doing these two in your head. See, that is the key idea. That is what I want to teach you, how to do this in your head. So how will I do this? 59, the distance is 9. Last two digits will be 81. First two digits will be 25 plus 9 or 34. And hence my answer will be 3481. For 42, the distance is minus 8. How will I calculate it in my head? First two digits, 25 minus 8, 17. Last two digits, square of that, 64. So 1764 is my answer. As you can see how quickly we have calculated these answers here. It is also important to note why this happens. If you noticed, I said this is valid for squares of numbers close to 50. So let's say if my number is 50 plus d. D is the distance that I am talking about. What will be the square of it? It will be 50 square, 2500 plus 2ab, 2 into 50 into d, which is 100d plus d square. Now, if I take 100 common from the first two terms, what will I be left with? I will be left with 25 plus d into 100 plus d square. Now, if you note, if my d is anything from 1 to 9, d square will be a two-digit number. And what will be the first two digits? They will be 25 plus d followed by 00. And if I add d square to it, what will I get as my final result? My final result will be first two digits will be 25 plus d and the last two digits will be d square. And that is what we had started with. That is what we had implemented here. So I hope you not only got the technique, but you also understood the concept behind it. You learned something and hope you liked it. Please show us that you liked it by liking this video, sharing this video, and most importantly, subscribing to our channel, which is Unacademy. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.